showing you EverStart Maxx, the 40 amp engine start, 15 amp rapid charge, 3 amp maintainer. Getting connected to Kia, the 2024 Kia Forte LX series. First step is to, of course, open the car hood. The lever is inside the car for the Kia 2024. And here is the location of the battery for the Kia 2024 LX series. So it's easy to find because of the plus and negative sign, which I didn't find in my other car. So this one, plus and negative sign, is your battery connector, or where your battery is. So all you need to do is take out that cover. And of course, with the EverStart Maxx, it's not going to function if you don't plug it in. So your first step for the rapid charger is to plug it in. Of course, it doesn't turn on without plugging it in. And then you will know that it's all plugged in. It's going to start blinking the screen. And then it does have the attached negative and positive connector. Red is for the positive sign in the battery, of course, and then the black is for negative. So it's very easy. You just have to connect it. And here's the positive connector. So this car's battery is not drained. So right now I'm using the EverStart Maxx to check the battery level, because you can there's a function in the EverStart Maxx for battery record. So that's what I'm looking into. You do have that option to charge, to engine start, and to check the alternator. So when you click on the battery record, so it gives you the voltage of the battery, and then it's actually charging your battery when you connect it. So you have that option to charge it, and then if your battery is drained, you can use the engine start function. You don't need another car to start it. So the only thing is, if you're on the road, you're not going to be able to use this because you have to plug it in. So basically this rapid charger, you will have to use it if you run out of battery and you're at home and you are able to plug it in. So that's the screen when I click on the altern check. So you'd have to actually connect it. So I'm not going to do that now, but just showing you quickly how the EverStart Maxx, how easy it is to use the EverStart Maxx rapid charger. It worked before when I did it with this car. And steps, you just have to remove it when it's done. Make sure to unplug it. And just showing you the screen is, you know that it's unplugged from your car, or you know that you've already plugged it in your car, because the screen changes. And then make sure you disconnect. Make sure you, of course, put back the covers of the battery connectors, because it's important. And again, this is the Kia Forte. Very easy to locate the battery location. And that's it.